Point to it again. Spleen, yes.
The intestines.
Yes.
We have the diaphragm.
Yes.
We have
lung.
There you go.
Left lung.
Yes.
3 lobes.
There are 3. And what we learned on the other one, on the other side, is that the mediastinal lobe is the 4th one on the right. This one right here is considered the mediastinal lobe, I think.
Let me get that.
Right here.
This thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see now. Yeah.
That one.
Got a heart.
Oh, we haven't opened the heart.
Is this whole thing a liver?
Yeah, that's his whole liver, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wowzers.
What is this?
Stomach.
That is the stomach. Yes, it is. Stomach. Pull that back and we should be able to see the spleen down in there. Pull that liver back. Did I say, I didn't mean to say spleen, I mean to say pancreas.
Where's his gallbladder?
Gallbladder is right here.
This?
That little green part right there is gallbladder.
Right here?
Yes. That's gallbladder, yes. Let's go back over here. I was still trying, there's, what do you call this right here?
Right here, kidney?
Kidney, good. Let me go back. Hold this stomach back a little bit more for me. There's the pancreas right down in there.
This.
Kind of got a grainy appearance. Grainy appearance, yes. Now pull these guts back and let's look and see if we can see the girl parts inside. And these are
The
her
ovaries.
The ovaries. You can see the ovaries, and you can see her uterine tubes or her uterus. 2 sides. Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. I was trying to move my hair.
Bladder right here. That looks pretty good. Okay, now let's look at her around her tail. Let's see about her body parts. Here's her anus, and her vagina would be in front of this little part right there is the entrance to her vagina.